Hello everyone, Assistant Professor Scott Straub here, and in this short video I would like to talk about templates in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Most people are familiar with how to access these products and go into, let's say Word for example, go into blank document and then go ahead and manipulate things, make their whatever they're making in this particular program. However, a lot of people don't realize that I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit File and then New. On this page right here, there are hundreds, maybe even thousands of templates you can use. And I'll give you an example. Let's say you have to make a flyer for your business. You're at work, or it could be for a class, could be for anything. And you want to make it look sharp and you don't want to spend a million years trying to format it on your own. Simply type in flyer. And you can choose the flyer that you like. Create. And in just a few 5-10 seconds, it'll open up and then you can literally just go ahead, put in your information, save it, print it, whatever you need to do. Now, sometimes with templates, you can't modify the pictures and other things in there, so you're kind of stuck with whatever it is. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Give you another example. Let's say you need to write a paper in APA style. Well, one thing you can do is type in APA and see if there is an already formatted APA document in here. Oh, look, there is. I'm going to click on it. It'll come up in a few seconds, and then you can just start adding your content. Now, please be aware that Microsoft isn't going to be responsible if there's any mistakes in here, so talk to your instructors if this is an appropriate way to do this. But this is a quick way to instantly get an APA formatted document. You could do the same thing for MLA, Chicago, things like that. But that's not all. Wait, there's more. Let's say you're in PowerPoint. There are lots of different types of templates you can use in PowerPoint as well, that are already laid out really nicely, that you can just choose one and then add your information. And then probably one of the most popular ones when I talk to my students, I tell them in Excel, you can create really nice budgets and invoices. You don't have to create it from scratch. Let's say you had a business or a business class and you had to create an invoice. Search for invoice and all sorts of invoices come up that you can choose from. Now, just one quick reminder how you find this again. Let's say I'm in a blank document like this. I'm in Excel. It could be Word, PowerPoint. If you couldn't find those templates before, simply click File in the upper left-hand portion of the screen, New, and then you should have an option to search for all of the templates that are available to you. If you have an older version of the Microsoft products, well, you may not have the same choices. Oh, the very last thing is you can print calendars out in Word and Excel here too. So if you want to print out a 2018 calendar, you just type that in, it'll come up and you can print it out. I hope this little tip helps everybody. Best of luck.